Okay, very quickly we are going to look into a few pairs. This is the daily market reviews. Well, I am happy to say the daily market reviews is back again. So we are going to be analyzing what happened as of yesterday and also looking into the market position for today. Okay. All right, very quickly, let's look into the Forex factory to see those news items for today. Well, as you can see, we don't have any high impact news announcement for today. As you probably know, we pay attention to high impact news announcement, and right here there is no high impact news announcement. All right, so we don't need to look into the economic calendar for today. Let's now look into the charts and see what we have waiting for us. The first pair here is the euro against the American dollar. Well, the euro against the American dollar seems to be running out of steam right now, even though that is not the bullish bias is not over. In the daily time frame, remember we had analyzed this and we talked about a potential resistance zone around that area, and price is beginning to feel some beginning to apply some breaks. Well, that is not to say that we are getting a reversal. There is no reversal yet. Price might still make another push to that area. So we are not looking for any short opportunity now. In the intraday time frames, what do we have? Quite a very mixed price behavior here. This is not a London open breakout setup. It is not a London open breakout setup. In fact, you can see how price is trending. All right, and in the London open breakout setup, you don't want to see price trending. Okay, so it is just a micro type of price behavior where you can get maybe a push to the downside, but we are not interested in this type of price action. Okay, now we are not even interested in going short. So this is the kind of price action we have in euro against the American dollar at this time, and it is not something that we want to trade. If you are looking to go short here, then you want to stay very briefly. You don't want to keep that trade for too long. Maybe just somewhere in here and you are out. We are not interested. Okay. All right. Let's look into the next one. This is franc against the Japanese yen. All right, I am following this pair very closely in the weekly time frame as well. You can see how price has broken above that level of resistance, and now it is sitting high up there, right? So we are searching for continuation formations. In the daily time frame, you can see that level of resistance as well, the flat top triangle that has a giving way, and you can see the breakout. Right, we're not seeing a full swing pullback. From here on, you should be looking for a buy entry. So we are keeping an eye on this. This is going to be high quality signal if we get the required bounce to take the trade. The 1 hour time frame is still mixed, really mixed. Let me see. Okay, it's still a bit mixed. You can see maybe like a channel. Okay, price is just wobbling up and down, but nothing to trade. So before we go long, we would like to see this line broken. Once this level is broken, then we'll be seeing price pushing to the upside. For now, no entry. The next one, American dollar against Swiss franc. In the daily time frame, remember we talked about price pulling back to that zone. Well, that hasn't happened, and right now price is trading around a level of support. No entry was seen. We haven't taken any trade. Yesterday's candle was more of a doji or a spinning top. Right there's a signal of some sort of exhaustion, but then that's a low quality signal and we don't trade that. In the 1 hour time frame, we could have maybe a flat top triangle. Just a minute. Okay, maybe a flat top triangle right there. All right, keep this high. So we'll be interested in going long in the intraday time frame if this is given is broken to the upside. If we get price give us a nice breakout pullback, then we'll look to trade all the way to this level. But for now, maybe a reversal formation, and there is no entry for us at this time. The American dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, this is also a nice one that we are following, especially in the daily time frame. That's a key level of support. If we get a pullback from there on, we can see it bounce to the downside. But for now, still nothing. uh, Market opened this week and we saw price just crash to the downside without giving us any possible entry in the 1 hour time frame. Well, we could keep this level. That's the obvious level of intraday resistance. Let's mark that in black. Okay, then the last swing low. Okay, so that's it. Nothing, no entry for us, no valid setup here. If you want to go short, you can also know that you're trading against a level of support. Let's say this trend line, that falling trend line. All right, so if you're going short, well, it's just a mix right here, so it's not something we want to trade. Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Well, this is likely going to be one of the bread and butter for this week. As you know, price gave that reversal formation there. We have analyzed in the weekly time frame. We are expecting to see price move all the way to the downside, possibly to the 71.62 area. Price may likely move all the way to that soon. Watching to see what's going to happen in the Forex time frame. The traffic will be clear once this level is broken. Once price breaks that level to the downside, it may likely make some more downside moves. For now, that hesitation is still in place and nothing more to say there. The another one is the New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen. This also should be pushing to the downside. We're expecting price to push as far as the 68.31 level for the first target. All right, and the second target 66.67 level. That's the expected move. Right, those are the expected moves for this pair. We want to see price drop all the way to that area if possible. Daily time frame. Well, we took a sell stop order there, and the price is trading really close to it right now. You see breaking out of that congestion and now trading to the entry zone in the 1 hour time frame. Well, this has now been broken, so we can keep this level as our level of support right there. Okay, so a bit of a range. Now price is moving towards the entry level to trigger the trade. It's still a pending order, but let's wait and see what's going to happen. The euro against Australian dollar, well, we had some form of a London Open breakout set up yesterday, but momentum died out, and you can see how it went sideways. Well, this pair is still bullish. We expect to see more upside in the euro against Australian dollar, but the price behavior is not giving us any clear entry in this pair. That's the problem right here. It is really not giving us any clear entry right here. Aggressive traders may want to go long and then stop loss somewhere here, but we have not seen the valid entry to take this trade. Okay, the Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. This is really mixed right now, but price is trading around resistance zone, so we need to keep an eye around this area, right around this area. We may likely see price bank off that level and from there on back down. This is heavy resistance zone in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so for now, nothing happening, nothing really interesting in the intraday time frames. So you just need to be patient until something good develops. Thanks for watching. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.